friends, welcome to Tech Nuggets. In the previous lecture, we discussed about installation of Python 3.12.4 on Windows operating system. Today we will cover what are variables, how to define variables in Python, and variable naming convention. So let's get started. In programming, a variable is like a container that holds the data. Variables can be changed or used throughout your code. Variables are used to store and manage the data. Now let's see how we can define variables in Python. The syntax is first you have to provide your variable name, then equals to sign, and after that you have to provide the value for it. For example, if we define a equals to 10, it will be an integer. Next, name equals to John will be a string and x equals to 2.5 is a floating point value. It is not required to provide the type of a variable. It decides the type at runtime based on the value we provided to the variable. At last, we will see the rules to define the variable name. So, the variable name must start with letter or underscore character. Next, variable name cannot start with a number. Variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters, that is capital A to Z, small a to Z, 0 to 9, and underscore. Variable name are case sensitive. For example, if we define a variable called name, then three different variables will get created. And lastly, variable name cannot be any of the Python keyword. Hope you understood the concept of variables in Python. In the next video, we will discuss about data types in Python. See you in the next video.